time for breakfast. So who wouldn't want a bacon and egg sandwich? Let's see if I can make that on the new camping stove. Getting a bit more ambitious. Putting the methylated spirits. Didn't need that much really. Matic. I think that's got it. So I think that's burning. Just give it a minute. Let's see if you can see that in there. It's burning now. Once it burns, the burner starts to actually looks like a gas burner, but it takes a little while to get that going, just to maybe a couple of minutes. Okay, so once that's done, and then it's coming, it's really hot now. Then I'm going to put on the frying pan. This is the new frying pan, which comes off. It's like a lid as well for this whole set, and then you just clip it on like that. And these also come up. Yesterday we had the kettle. They were inverted. So put the pan on like that, and then just need to get that a little bit warm. Then put a little bit of oil in. I guess it doesn't need that much, but that's it. Move the matches away. It's always a good thing to do. Then I'll go and get the bacon. It's plenty hot enough now. I think this will sizzle like crazy, so put the bacon on. Put 2 big rushes in. This one. Second one. Look at that, nothing better, is there? And the smell as well. That'll be done in a second now. And then you just need to put the egg in. Not perfect, does it? Oh well. It's more like scrambled egg. Never mind. Practice makes perfect. The bacon's done, so I'm going to take the bacon out, put it on the bread, which is nice homemade bread. Crispy enough? I think so. That's crispy enough. So that's the bacon. And I need to turn this over, I think. It's more like an omelette today. I'll flip it over. is done. Give that maybe another thing. That's done. It'll be done. If we do it anymore, it'll be burnt. Goes on the sandwich like so. That's it. You can take this off now, put it there, and then we have, of course, finishing touches, a bit of ketchup like that. Cut it down the middle. There you have lovely breakfast, and I wish I could give that to you, but maybe when we come out of isolation, but I'm sorry, but can't do that today. And like on all good cooking programs, you have the annoying bit where the person eats what they made, so it wouldn't be a complete video unless I did that. So here goes. So good. So why not get yourself a camping stove? You can do this too. See you next time.